Welcome to IBC 2025. This year we bring together our global media, technology and entertainment clients, showcasing their groundbreaking innovations right here in Amsterdam. So I'm with Shahar at the MediaKind's stand. I'm loving the purple. It really stands out.
Thank you.
How are things going so far?
It's great. It's been a great show. We're really excited to show some of our new technology here. It's been really fun.
Yeah, so a bit of a new direction this year.
Absolutely. We reshuffled a lot of our marketing. We redid the website recently, and a lot of our campaigns are quite different. We've simplified our portfolio dramatically, and that's a general theme for us about simplifying the products and making it so much easier to use our extensive technology for our consumers.
And partnerships, collaborations are key as well.
Absolutely. I think because we're basically simplifying the technology so much, we're seeing a lot more companies want to collaborate with us, and the combined solutions overall really make it much more attractive for the end customers. And so we're really focusing on a lot of partnerships to really expand the reach of our tech for the better use of the end consumer.
And tell me a little bit about the background to MediaKind. Just give me a flavour of that and where you're positioned in the market.
Sure, so what we focus on is really the video pipeline, so to speak, where video flows. We have a technology which is the orchestration that sits in the cloud. Today, everything that we do is orchestrated from the cloud, whether you're running the video in the cloud or whether you're running it in a private data center. We orchestrate it all from the cloud. And then on top of that, we have application layers for some of our customers who want to really build a full end-to-end D2C platform, direct-to-consumer platform. So it's really about our core video pipeline from on-premise, say from the stadium or the studio to the cloud. And then on top of that, we offer application layers for our consumers who want to do direct-to-consumer services.
And can we talk about sports streaming?
Yeah, so
your eyes light up when I say that.
Absolutely.
So yeah.
Because that's, what we're seeing all around the world is so much the rapid shift of sports from traditional broadcast and pay TV into streaming. We're seeing that take off at enormous levels. In some markets around the world, it's over 50% of viewership is now in streaming for sports. And so we are really happy to be involved in that. We've got a lot of big accounts running with our sports. We'll have a lot more announcements in the coming months. We recently announced DAZN using us for the Club World Cup. And that partnership continues to grow. We had a showcase theater at IBC here yesterday speaking about it with one of the DAZN executives. And that's exactly the same technology we talked about. Backhauling the content from the stadium, all controlled by the cloud, into the cloud where we process the video, secure it, package it, add targeted ads, and stream it to the end consumer.
How is that all being received?
It's fantastic. We see the excitement from our customers, the growth in the viewership really requires a lot of reliability and enormous scale. The DAZN, the Club World Cup, is so popular. It was globally over 150 countries, over 200 market segments around the world. So we're talking about really, really large scales that we're seeing now in streaming that didn't exist a few years ago.
Can we talk a little bit about AI and its impact and opportunities that it's creating for your customers?
So the nice thing about moving into the cloud is that we basically can piggyback on all the investments the large hyperscalers are doing. This year alone, the 4 largest US hyperscalers are investing over $350 billion into AI CapEx on their...
That's a lot.
Money. We're a small company, and that's compared to their scale, but we're taking advantage of all their AI technologies. And so we're able to see so much technology of AI in the cloud and incorporate that into the video. So those includes rudimentary services such as translation or captioning, more advanced services such as dubbing, where we can dub in different languages with the right lip sync and so on, to the ability to create personalized highlights and things of that sort, which are very specific to every customer, what they're interested. And so those are all technologies that are now becoming available because you're already in the cloud and you're really riding the AI wave that is already there.
I love it. It's a very exciting time. I did want to ask you about the next 18 months. It seems like things are changing at such a pace. We could talk about the next 18 weeks.
I think the next 18 months or the next 2 years are just the trends that are already underway are just going to accelerate. So I think sports streaming continues to grow. I think AI technology being infused in video is going to continue to grow, and there's going to be a lot more personalized experience. And I think the adoption of the cloud is going to grow. And so I think we'll meet here in 18 months. I don't believe that there'll be a dramatic difference. It'll just be more, and we just dug in deeper into those trends. And I think that's really what's going to play out for the rest of the decade.
Well, we'll leave it on that note. Thank you so much for your time today. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Same to you. Thank you very much.